If your coffee is tasting really bitter and you've tried to clean your coffee pot with vinegar and nothing's working and it still tastes just not right, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, there's 3 reasons why this happens. Coffee has a lot of oil in it and it builds up in your coffee maker really fast. And the hot water has a lot of mineral deposits and that builds up in your coffee maker as well. And if you've tried vinegar, it's not really strong enough to cut all that out of your coffee pot, and that's gonna make your coffee taste really bitter.
And this is exactly why most coffee pots are black, because if they're white, you can actually see all that built up inside your coffee maker.
So let me show you how to fix that.
You will need citric acid, a measuring cup, and some gloves, and a long brush that will reach down in your coffee maker.
I use citric acid. This is natural. It comes from actual citrus, and it has a lot of acid in it. And this is how we're gonna clean your coffee maker.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons to 2 cups, depending on your coffee maker, how much you need to make, but you boil it and melt the citric acid. I pour it in the back of the machine. I pour some around the little filter cup.
Oh, before I forget, hit the like button. This will not only help me, it'll help somebody else that wants their coffee to taste better.
I run the brew cycle several times, like 2. Then I start scrubbing in. And even if you don't see something, scrub it anyway because it's black and you can't see it. Then I run through 2 rinse cycles with just plain water, and you will see all the dirt continuing to come out when you do this. It will even smell much better.
Much better. Give it a try and let me know how it works. Oh, thanks for the question, by the way. You got any more? Put them right down there. I would love to show you how to clean whatever you want to know how to clean. Bye. I'll see you next week. Cheers.